Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Guye and you're watching Guye B TV. So today I did this Valentine's Day look for you guys. It's very simple and easy for beginners or, you know, people who have done makeup forever and just kind of want to have a simple look with a pop-in lip. I did that. So before we get into that, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and make sure you share this video as well. And yeah, let's get into the video. So today we're gonna do less of a chit chat, more of a makeup look. So this look is gonna be like a super simple makeup look for beginners for Valentine's Day. The only thing that's gonna pop is my lipstick or lip gloss or whatever. So the products that I'm going to use, I have used in prior videos. Like I said, it's gonna be very simple and minimalist. So I hope you guys like it. So first, I'm gonna go in with this primer. I lost my my Smashbox Pro Filter Photo Finish primer, so I have this one called. Right, so that is on. Next, I am going to use my foundation, the new NARS foundation, the Natural Radiant foundation. I made a video on this already, and like I said, I love it. And I'm in the shade D5 Zambi. I don't know where that name came from. I don't know if it was like supposed to be like Zambia, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, like whatever. It does the job. It's a really good foundation. And I wanted to use it again because I want to show you guys that it's really bomb. And you know, no, you just gotta make sure. You see how flawless this is? Like, you guys, oh my gosh. I told you guys this before, but it is so flawless. Now I am going to highlight, and I'm going to use the concealer, the Ruby Kisses concealer in Caramel, and just kind of go in with that. Like I said, minimal, but you still want to. I am going to use one of my Morphe palettes. I'm not quite sure which one. I'm literally gonna do like the most like simple brown eyes. I'm not putting any kind of craziness on there, maybe. So this is honestly, I think just how I'm gonna keep it. Like it's minimalist. The important parts of doing natural and really simple makeup is making sure your eyebrows are on point, your foundation is together and smooth, and you just get some other areas to pop instead of your eyelashes, your eyeshadow. What else am I gonna do next? I'm gonna kind of do some contouring using It's My Ray Ray palette. I love this palette. I did a review on it, and she, like I said, just did a really good job on it. So I'm gonna use the this portion of it, and I use the color Brownie Bite, and just kind of add some definition to my round face. The key is to not be so round, like Khaled would say. And then to just kind of add some highlight to my face, I'm going to use the same palette, and I'm going to use Radiance. This palette is in collab with BH Cosmetics, you guys. If you really want it, go get it. It's a really good palette. And alright, so that's done with. My hair, I'm just going to wear straight. What else is missing? I feel like something is missing that I'm not seeing. I'm gonna set my face because for the most part it is done. I got a new setting spray just from the store. It's a matte finish, and last time I used it, it did pretty well. So we will see. Okay, let's... Ooh, and it is really matte too, so it's awesome. If you are a beginner and you're not really into the eyelashes, because it took me forever to learn how to do eyelashes, just get some eyeliner, which I have. This is a BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I haven't used this in a minute, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but we'll see. What do you guys think? I think it looks so flawless. And I'm definitely gonna like put on, I guess I'll show you guys a little bit of my Valentine's Day like outfit idea. But yeah, last but not least, the lipstick, and I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Stunner Chick.
You gotta be a clone of my type. Jimmy Choo and Lou, she like VVS to glow in her eye. I just had to know if we could spend some time. Take you out and maybe call you mine. Lay you down and let you do the wine. Spin you round, girl, you could be the nine. Hola, mira, señorita. You looking oh so bonita. I see you all so solita. Un trago más de